Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create post design Facebook post on different niches, and you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. And also you can sell this service on offline market. You can go to Instagram and search accounts related to your niche and uh, give them your services. And you can also search websites on on google.com according to your niche and try to hunt the clients from there. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook post design on pet niche. So we can go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online available, and you can uh, easy it is very easy to learn and very handy. So let's if you want to completely learn about Canva, you can also learn from their official sources, or you can also learn from my channel. Go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. There is a playlist called Canva designing course. After watching the video you will know completely about Canva. So I click on create a design, and here I search Facebook post. Click on this. It is loading, wait for some seconds. So here I search pets. So as you can see, there are different beautiful templates available. We will choose one of them. So I choose one of them, and I think I like this one. Yeah, this is good. So we will choose this template. First of all, I would like to change the style, and if you want to change the background color, we'll choose some other like gray. No, light. Yeah, it's look good. After that I want to change the photos, and here I search pets, and there are different photos available of pets. So I choose this photo for this, and this photo for this. So it is ready. After that you can customize the address, you can customize the website. So I put dummy website like pets.com, and we can add elements pets. Yeah, it's look good. So I think that's it. It's the final post. So in this way you can create a beautiful Facebook post on pets niche. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.